In this video, I will briefly introduce you to agent-based modeling. Agent-based models can be used for a great many purposes. Here, I shall concentrate on how they can help the transition to a circular economy. If we want to transition to a circular economy, we have to become clever about recycling and reuse of all kinds of materials, and about local sourcing too. This means that we need to look beyond the production chain to the entire life cycle of products. That life cycle includes people choosing to buy or to repair things, using things, throwing them away, separating their waste or not. It is not just a technical cycle, but a socio-technical one. There are many ways to get a grasp of socio-technical systems, and which ways are useful depends a lot on the particular system under study. We'll get acquainted with a modeling technique called agent-based modeling. An agent-based model usually consists of a two-dimensional world in which things move around, or things can happen. The entities that act are called agents. In this simulation, we see cars driving around in a city with a square street grid and traffic lights at the corners. With this model, one can investigate which traffic light regime would yield good flow of traffic depending on the car's behavior. It's the cars that act as the agents here. This simulation shows a sort of a grassy landscape with people moving around. Paths originate in places where many people walk. Without any central coordination, a more or less regular grid emerges. Such things happen on new university campus, for instance. The user can simulate a campus by mouse clicking, which indicates where buildings will appear. Actually, more metaphorically, new paths emerge in society when many people change their behavior. For instance, a mind shift among people can cause them to reduce littering, which in turn leads to new modes of garbage collection when volumes of waste change. This kind of phenomenon is called self-organization or emergence, and it can be studied very well with agent-based models. To summarize, this module is about using agent-based models to study the transition into a circular economy. In such models, logistic systems are modeled as socio-technical systems. How exactly to model such a system varies from case to case, depending also on one's research question. For now, let's give a general idea. For the social system, individuals or companies, or perhaps boats, can be the agents. For the technical system, product batches could be the agents. The environment can be a simplified physical world that can include waste dumps, recycling plants, and when one runs the model, the products move through the world. Where they end up depends on decisions made by the people in this model. So, using these agent-based models, we can study both the social and the technical side of a system, as well as how the two interact and influence one another. And this is precisely what we'll do.